Design and test equipment change as quickly as the products you are inventing. Deadlines are approaching fast, and working the night shift seems inevitable. Not to worry, Keysight has you covered by redefining customer support in test and measurement with KeysightCare, offering expertise when and where you need it. Here are 3 real-world examples of how to quickly access our deep technical knowledge and get in touch with our engineers. The new even-odd jitter for 400 gigabit Ethernet compliance measurements of PAM4 transmitters causes you headaches. How do you set up your sampling oscilloscope correctly? Let's consult the KeysightCare portal. You search for the even-odd jitter. Perfect. This is exactly what you need, a comprehensive and well-documented guide. The compliance test setup was quick and looks good. However, test limits are so tight with less than 19 milli-UI that you want to make sure the pass-fail measurement is reliable. You log a request, knowing it will automatically route to the respective application expert in real time. Previously, you spent weeks measuring the delay between edges of 2 signals. Your test script, which automates 15,000 measurements, took 45 long minutes. There must be a better way. In the Keysight Knowledge Center, you find a Python programming example leveraging the oscilloscope's measurement log function. Using that code, you successfully complete each test run in less than 30 seconds, accelerating the process 100 times. Sign up today.